MOLLE plates on the Freelander too. They look cool, but they have a purpose. They can store these fuels slash water slash liquid slash whatever you want to put on the site in these terra firma cans. So quick demo of how you can use these and how to fit them. Dead easy. Right, so they're locking, which is handy because there is tea leaves about the place. So you twist the key and then you can unspin this. You don't have to go all the way, just enough to loosen this little triangular plate, which is a clever little thing. And you rotate the plate and then you can lift the whole assembly off like that. Okay. Now, one thing that's actually cool, when we were camping, we haven't quite worked this out yet, but if you put them on, because it's a triangle, you can do some geometry. You put it on that way up, you can actually have a spout. Now, in the can, there's actually a tube. I'll show you in a second. But I haven't found anything yet as a tap. I'll make one. I'll 3D print a tap so that you can have your water on tap on the side of your car. That'll be really cool. Right, so that's the locking cap. They've got this funky little mechanism on here, isn't it? It's like child lock or something. It's to stop it vibrating loose, I guess. And then you take that off, and then you have got a reversible filler tubey thing where you take that off and put that on there, and take that little bit off and put that on there, and but still no tap or threaded bit for a tap. Right, let's have a look at the fitting. So look at this cunning little kit we designed. Aluminium plate. Okay, you got 3 stainless steel screws, you get this little quick fit adapter, and you get these 3 of these cage nuts. I've fitted 2 of them already. Doesn't matter which way you go with these, but they're clever little things. They the little ears fit in there. You rest one end in, and then you gently just push down on that spring tab. There, you'll probably stab yourself, I nearly did. And then you get those 3 in there. Right, grab the quick fit in for now. Then go over to the car. Now, this is a kind of, it's like a bit of a challenge, but it's not beyond the wit of most people. You thread this along to roughly in the middle. Okay. Right, and this is where this bit got cunning. Because I was like, how on earth are you supposed to hold that there where you get the screws in? So we 3D printed this little clip. And the clip is not holding the fuel can on. All it does is hold that in place, look. Get your fingers out. So we've got that mounted there now. Right, now grab your kit. Now, I'll show you one little cunning little thing that we did do. Right, so then you let's hold that right. And it should find that nut there. There you go. Everyone's got it now. I've worked it out. Simon, he's not as mad as he looks. That's a good job. Right. That's pretty bonkers if I was as mad as I was. Right then. Okay. So yeah, luckily the plastic fitting sits inside the recess of this triangle here. Now, one thing when they made this, they did this locking thing with the key. I shouldn't give all mates a hard time over. Fit it and lock it. Look, you can still see the 3 screws in there, and you can actually unscrew those 3 screws and take it all off. So one thing we also put in the kit is a shear bolt where the head snaps off, and you only obviously need to do it on one of those. So we put that in the kit as well, so it is actually unstealable. But there you go, we'll put those on the website. So we're getting all geared up with the Freelander now. We've got the roof rack, the MOLLE plates, got the spare wheel on top, got the fuel cans on the side. We need to go out. I've got the light bar. We're just going to wire up the light bar. We're working out how to do that in a neat and waterproof way. We're going to make a new console inside with a little switch panel. I've got some switches somewhere. So keep watching, and we've got the rear light guards coming. Honestly, I shouldn't say that, should I? At least you'll be getting 1,000 emails waiting for them. But they'll be here. They'll be here, I promise. Right, catch you later.